Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Photoshop could not save as JPG, because there is not enough memory. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Adobe. Click and expand Photoshop. Click Photoshop version. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type override physical memory MB. O, P, M, and B are capital letters. Change base type to decimal. Type value data to 16000. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.